Dative verbs absagen, to cancel, antworten, to reply, auffallen, to notice, ausweichen, to avoid, begegnen, to meet, danken, to thank, dienen, to serve, drohen, to threaten, erlauben, to allow, fällen, to miss, folgen, to follow, gefallen, to please, gehorchen, to obey, gehorchen, to belong, genugen, to be enough, gleichen, to resemble, glauben, to believe, gratulieren, to congratulate, helfen, to help, nutzen, to be useful, nachlaufen, to follow, passen, to fit, passieren, to happen, raten, to advise, schaden, to be harmful, schmecken, to taste, trotzen, to defy, vertrauen, to trust, verzeihen, to excuse, wehtun, to hurt, widersprechen, to disagree, zustimmen, to agree, zuhören, to listen, zusagen, to accept,